Hey guys, welcome back. Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. Recipe for today: some coconut sauce, French fry chicken. I'm gonna show you how I prepare my coconut sauce fried chicken. Starting by add some oil to the pot, but the oil go on hot and thing first. Don't put the chicken at the cold oil. Please don't put the chicken at the cold oil. So there's a preview on the chicken. Starting by mixing coconut sauce. So we have a coconut powder, right? So the right way to prepare call the recipe, remember, coconut sauce, not coconut chicken. You can say coconut sauce, right? That is the right way for the recipe. So I'm start add some water and thing. So I'm gonna mix that well till we very fine. So use a spoon. Remember, Jamaican cooking lumberjack. So I'm start mix my coconut sauce and thing. Yeah. So I'm gonna show the recipe step by step. I have some chicken seasoned the day before. So I'm gonna show how me prepare my coconut sauce chicken. I have some scallion, thyme, garlic, and pepper put in the oil, taste and flavor. I may have some flour right here with some spice and thing. Whenever I show you the spice, I have some coconut trash. It's a recipe eatable, tasteable. Please try the recipe and leave a comment. So I'm starting mixing the flour together, everything combined together. So see the chicken there, seasoned from the day before. Yeah, so I never show you when I season up my chicken and thing. So I'm start adding my green season to my oil to taste and flavor. Pepper, scallion, and garlic, right? So I'm coat the chicken in the coconut sauce one time, put it in the flour. So I'm showing how to prepare the recipe and thing. Please watch the video, prepare the recipe step by step, just like how you do it, right? So I coat the chicken in the coconut powder again, and I go on myself and thing here. Please remember, watch the video to the end, like and share, leave a subscribe, comment also. So you know, so I'm starting coat the flour now with the chicken. Remember, the coconut sauce and the chicken already. So I have the flour right there, I coat on the chicken. And I go on and thing here. So I coat the chicken 4 times. Drop it in the oil. Please make the oil well hot and thing. With the chicken I go mash up. Remember, say cold oil can't fry chicken. You have to use hot oil. See, you can see the oil well hot, extra hot and thing. So the recipe is eatable, tasteable. Please watch it, put it to the end, like and share. And see the beauty of the coconut sauce chicken and thing. You can see the crust. So I'm going to remove this. I'm going to remove the pepper and the garlic from the oil. Come down want them burn up. Come down want my chicken taste bitter, right? So you know, so the oil well spice and flavor. So I'm going to remove the garlic, the pepper here. You can see chicken well crispy and crust. I'm going to tell some more there run water. It's a recipe is eatable, tasteable. Remember, coconut sauce, French fry, chicken. Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. It's a recipe is eatable, tasteable. So you know, so outside on the coal fire, Sunday recipe. Guys, remember to like and share and subscribe. So recipe ready. You can see the well golden brown French fry chicken. You can see some fry plating right there. And you know, see outside cooking on the coal fire, the bestest cooking. And we have some coconut sauce right there, coconut barbecue sauce. Like and share. Sunday recipe ready. You can see nice recipe, eatable.